This is the outside of the Alpine. I'll walk you around. I opened up one of the sides here so you could, actually all the slides are out, but I opened up one of the storage boxes. So you got two awnings, one right there, one on the slide right there. And then this is your storage, huge storage underneath. Okay, and I'll keep walking around. We got it in here so I can't get the full view, but I'll try to do the best I can. But that's the awning on the slide. And then in the back, sorry. So this is from the back. Got the ladder to the top. There's a hitch on the back. Right there. And then this is the other side. I'll walk up it. It's got the tankless water heater. So continuous on-demand hot water. And then auto levelers also. And that's controlled right there. So any other questions, please let me know. But I'll get back and show you a good side view of this one. But that is the 321 RL Alpine. Thanks. Bye.